What's up, Isensu? Welcome back to the E36 project. Today is an exciting video, getting the car ready and prepped for a track day. This is a drift setup. If you've seen the how to weld a diff video, check that out here. You probably realize it's a drift setup, or it's supposed to be a drift setup. So essentially today we're putting reinforcement plates on the rear. There's 6 plates in total, so we're going to weld those guys in. And we're also going to put some solid rear subframe bushings in. Then we've got some trailing arm stuff. Maybe do some ebrake cable stuff. It looks like that we could make that work. So what I'll do is I'll kind of go over. I've done quite a bit already to kind of prep the car to drop the subframe and do all that. So I'll go over what I've done already, and then we'll get right into actually dropping the subframe and welding those plates on. Alright, so we've obviously dropped the exhaust, we've dropped the drive shaft, and what else did we do? We put a ton of PB Blaster just kind of on everything because everything's like super rusty. We removed the calipers. We kind of like worked them around. You can see better on this side. We kind of worked them around everything. We basically put them through here so that we obviously don't have to bleed the system after we're done everything. All the sensors kind of came with that over here. What else did we do? We removed the ebrake cables on the caliper side. That was kind of a pain in the ass. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that. It's out there. I'll maybe put a link to a good video. So I think that's basically what I've done on the car to kind of prep it. So we'll get right into the video. This may be a 2-part video. We're gonna put the diff in. Like I said, we're gonna get everything ready. So it may be a 2-part video, but we'll see. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to drop the gas tank now. I've seen people weld these plates on without them, but I'm not going to do that. So in theory this should drop out. The hoses, lines are disconnected up here. The connectors are connected up at the under the back seat. So we should be able to just take these 3 straps off, and in theory it should drop. In theory. Alright, so it's finally time to put the diff in, which is really the whole reason we've been doing this. Welded diff, reinforce everything so it doesn't screw some stuff up. So.
Perfect, 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 perfect,
All right, so we got all our plates here. Start prepping these guys and then we'll get to prepping the car. Down, but we're almost finished these, and then we're going to put a layer of some undercoating paint on them, and we'll throw